The safety feature by which Apple is supposed to tell someone that they're being followed didn't work. This video is sponsored by Trend Micro. So the Apple AirTags have been released, and while not a terribly exciting product, it's actually kind of useful. I mean, who doesn't lose their keys once in a while or lose something that they're looking for and wish they could find it easily? So for that, this product is great. But I was wondering, like, how extreme could this be used for? And the thing is, Apple has thought about privacy when it comes to this device. I just think there's probably a loophole somewhere in there. We're going to see if we can find it today. I'm actually going to take an AirTag and try to follow my friend around. You know, stalk him or whatever. I mean, because no one's actually going to try to do this in real life. Are you? Don't do this in real life. Will it work? I got to be honest, I don't know. I literally don't know. And that's why I love doing videos like this. I have no idea this is going to work or not. Has Apple thought this through? I don't know. But we're going to find out right after this.
This is, you listening to Travis.
What up, players? Welcome back. And for all you new people, welcome. My name's Travis and I do tech videos every single week and have a blast doing them. If that sounds like fun to you, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Anything I talk about will be in the description below. But for now, let's just get into the video. I have a feeling if this works and I'm able to track my friend randomly without him knowing, that Apple's not going to like me anymore. So please hit the subscribe button because I'm pretty sure they're never going to send me any products. So at least let's make it worthwhile. Hit that subscribe button, please. And maybe even hit the like button. So the concept's actually really simple. I already told my friend he's going to be in a YouTube video, but I didn't tell him what for. And I haven't told him anything about what's going on. And he doesn't know what AirTags are. He's not that into tech. So I'm just going to call him and tell him to go somewhere and wait for me without telling me where he is. Now, I know he's going to have no idea what's going on, so I'm going to use the AirTag that I'm going to secretly plant on his car to see if I can track him. Apple says there's some type of security in place that I guess would alert him that it's on his tag, that it's following him. The idea behind it apparently is that it's supposed to tell you when a tag that is not yours is following you around. Dave 2D says in his video that it's actually something that happens when you come back home, but he's going to be leaving home and going somewhere else. And even if it did tell him, I'm betting on the fact that A, while he's driving, he's not looking at his phone, and B, if he saw an alert that he's never seen before and doesn't know what it is, he's going to ignore it, or at the very least kind of wonder what the heck it is and not be able to find the tag anyway. So I bought a couple of rare earth magnets from Amazon, and I'm just going to put it underneath his car and see if this works. This should be interesting. Okay, I am down the street from my best friend's house. He does not know I'm coming. He does not know what I'm doing. I'm going to try to track him with the new AirTag from Apple. Now, I'm going to park and I'm going to try to, I don't know, connect this thing to his car without him knowing. Now, he does not know I'm on my way. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm working with. So this is it. There's a rare earth magnet here. The AirTag is connected there. It's kind of wrapped in here because I'm afraid it's going to fall. I don't know a couple things. I don't know if the rare earth magnet will have any type of problem with this. I don't know if he's going to get any type of notification. I don't know that this is going to work, but we're going to find out together. Let's go sneak and put this on his truck. It doesn't look like anyone's out. I don't want him to see me and know that I've been here. So I'm going to stick it underneath. I want to put it on the back part of his truck. We'll make sure he doesn't see me. Let's see. Nope, that won't work. Oh, that's too obvious. Is that gonna work? Okay. So, there it is. Right underneath in the back. We'll see if it works. Okay, I'm running. I don't want them to know I'm here. All right, we're gonna see if it worked. I'm excited. Are you? I'm excited. Okay, it's the next day. I actually put that on his car last night and I watched him drive around a little bit. Now, it was way delayed. It was not a real-time tracking. It kind of updated every couple of minutes. And I don't exactly know why that is. But so I just called him, and the only thing he knows, he's going to be on a YouTube video. He has no idea what this is about. Again, has no idea probably even what AirTags are. I just told him to drive somewhere up to 15 minutes away and go into a store and shop and whatever. Just whatever he wants, wherever he wants, with no clues to see if I can find him. And that's it. He's just going to text me when he gets there. I'm going to try to find him, and we're going to see what happens. If it works, crazy. If it doesn't, you may not see this video. Apple says that they're all about privacy, and I suspect they think they have covered this particular type of situation. And from what I understand, there's supposed to be an alert of some sort to someone whose AirTag is near them or following them. But I'm not sure it's going to work that way. Or if it did, we're going to find out from Rob directly after I find him if he saw that alert or if he's been clueless the entire way, and I've actually been stalking him for like 24 hours. Okay, he's just let me know that he's gotten where he needs to be. Now, the interesting thing is I told him to try to trick me. That is, he had 15 minutes to drive anywhere he wanted to, but he did not have to text me as soon as he got there. He could come somewhere closer, wait a couple of minutes, and then text me to try to throw me off. But what he doesn't know is I'm using AirTags, which can't be fooled by that. So I'm gonna go ahead, and I think I know exactly where he is. At least this is what it's telling me. And what makes it even easier is I can hit directions. So let's go ahead and hit directions. And now I'm off to the races. Let's go. Now, the scary thing is I know exactly where he is, and I'm going to see him here in a couple of minutes. But people do this every single day on your home network, and I have the perfect device to protect you against that. You need to protect your home against intruders, and I'm not talking about the ones that knock on your door, I'm talking about the ones that come in virtually. And while a lot of you may have a router and perhaps antivirus on your computer, it's just not enough. Do you have antivirus on your phones, tablets, and your smart devices? Probably not. And that's where Trend Micro Home Network Security comes in. It protects everything that's connected to your network without having to install antivirus on each one. It provides powerful and flexible parent tools such as controlling social media, blocking inappropriate websites, and setting time limits so that your kids can take a break, including playing all those Xbox and PlayStation games. It protects every device on your network, from dangerous downloads to malicious websites and even people trying to hack into your devices. And the coolest thing is, if you download the app, it'll alert you when something is going on in your network. And let me tell you something, you don't want anything going on in your network you don't know about. It'll also tell you every single device is connected to your network in case there's something on there that shouldn't be, and so much more. I have a link in the description below, so make sure you check out Trend Micro. This device could save you a lot of hassle. Trust me when I tell you, I've been using it for the last year and I couldn't be happier. Thanks to Trend Micro for sponsoring this video. Now, as you can see, it hasn't updated for quite a while, 12 minutes ago, but I know he ain't going nowhere. That is the one thing about this. It's not real time. There seems to be intervals of when this thing updates, but I'm positive he hasn't moved. So we'll be there very shortly. Okay, my guess is he is right here at this pawn shop that he likes to go to. So let's see. And there he is. There he is, right here at the pawn shop. Look how good I am. Let's see what he thinks, and is he surprised that I was able to find him? Here we are. Oh, and there he is. I got him. There's his car. There he is. I found him. I found you. Now, what I'm assuming you think is that this is some type of magic trick, because as you know, I used to do a lot of performance magic, but that's not exactly what's going on here. So I have a question for you. How do you think I found you? And found you so fast? Because you left, I don't know, like 15-ish, 20 minutes ago, and I was here within just a couple of minutes. You texted me that you got here. What do you think I did?
I think you used the Find My Phone app.
Okay, that would be nice, but I don't have your phone, and I don't have your account, but it's very close to that.
I thought I did set you up.
No. Okay. So you could think that, and that
was my best guess.
That used to work. However, check this out. You may not be aware of this, but Apple recently released a new product called AirTags, and they're meant for like finding keys and stuff. But I decided to see how far they would go and actually put one on your car.
No way.
What do you think about that?
You bugged my car.
I did. Now, how do you feel about this $30 tracker being able to track you wherever you go? How does that make you feel?
Creepy.
So, are you for AirTags or are you against AirTags? Now, the thing, let's be clear. Let's be clear. This is normally for something that's not bad. You also could use this for your kids to know where they're going. You can use it for good reasons. Your keys, your bags, but this literally cost me like $10 or so in magnets to put it on your car.
Dude.
You're not happy.
This is creepy.
Okay, well, that's kind of what I thought would happen. Thanks, Rob, for helping me out today. And let's wrap it up here in a minute. All right, now I spoke to Rob afterwards and learned a couple things. Number one, of course, he did not know about this. As I said, he probably wouldn't. He's not like a super tech head, so that makes sense. Most people don't know this thing exists. More importantly and more interestingly, like I suspected, the safety feature by which Apple is supposed to tell someone that they're being followed didn't work. Now, this has been on his car for just under 18 or so hours. I actually placed it on his car last night before he went out for dinner. So he left. I actually tracked him going to Popeyes and then coming home. He had no notifications last night, no notifications today, and no notifications when I just picked this up from him. So he didn't know I've been tracking him all that time. The question is, will anyone else? Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. Did this thing just blow your mind that I can track someone without them knowing? Is this Apple's greatest fear? My goodness. Anyway, I'll see you next time. Peace and love.